She started out with a CBT and a dream. On 2 wheels, she found her self-esteem. From the beginner seat to full license in hand, she's a badass biker, ready to command.
So next job is attaching this. So this is basically an extension cable for my battery, so I can then charge my bike without having to take this seat off. So I basically have a trickle charger at home, and this will fit into it. So yeah, just need to take off the seat, take this panel off to get to the battery. So that's what I'm doing. So we're using this one, I think. Nope. Had two options. I was gonna pick the wrong one. So this is a 6mm Allen key. Do this one. And just watch out for the spacer, because that will come loose, she says. Thank you. Weep. That one came out easier, didn't it? Okay, so then it's just a case of lifting the seat up and out. Put that one there. Okay, and then to take this one off, you've got an Allen key down here, but this one is a 5mm. So, need it on that side just to start it off. So take that one out. Put that down there so I don't lose it. And these have got little like grommets. I don't know if you're actually going to be able to see in, but maybe when I take it off you'll see what I mean. She says. And then that just slides down. So you've got this little like grommet bit that goes into the plastic, into that rubber there, and then this bit clips into here, and then that little tiny bit just goes up into the top. Okay, so that's exposed that. Move that over here. Okay, and then just need a, is this a Phillips?
Yep.
Phillips screwdriver. So start with the negative. Thank you, Burden. Okay, so I've taken the negative off and I'm putting the negative back on top of those ones.
Yep.
Oh, this is going to be... Make it easier for yourself, Jessica. Make sure you don't cross thread. I don't know why I'm trying to do it with my left hand since I'm not left-handed. Being a bit of a dick. There we go. Okay. So That's nice and tight. Now we can take this one off. You can tell I'm an amazing mechanic, everybody. Nope. Come on.
You need to think about
And
your
the
route.
positive on top of there. I'll figure that out in a second.
Go to my bag, there's some cavities in
Like
there.
that?
Yeah, that's fine actually. Oh, I'd cavitise probably one on there.
Really?
You want to leave it like that if you prefer.
That doesn't want to clip over the top of that. That should clip over the top of that though, shouldn't it? There we go. Right. So that's that. Then I'm going to put the seat back on. No, I'm not. Put the panel back on. Okay, so you want to line up the things first. Like so. And then that in there, like so. Nope. Is that okay like that? I think that's how it was before, wasn't it? Okay.
As long as it clips in.
Yeah, it's just that that feels... No, that is the same as the other side. Okay.
The main thing is to make sure this isn't going to catch you in any way, which I don't think it will.
No. Okay, and then hook in that one into there, this one into there, and those under the seat. Quite self-explanatory. Let's see if she can manage it. Check that those holes are matching up. Cute. So I have the purple one. That's one. And that's on. That's it. Ta-da! That's how you fit a extension lead tether thing to charge your battery. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been helpful to somebody. Yeah, if this sort of thing is something that you're interested in seeing, like general maintenance or looking at different modifications and things, chuck it in the comments, and if I can, I will do another video for you guys. Bye!